Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 best 850-watt power supplies of the year. If you're looking for a power supply with solid performance, quiet operation, and efficiency to keep your system running at its best, this list is for you. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Nzxt C850 850-watt power supply. The Nzxt C850 850-watt power supply offers several enticing features for both casual users and dedicated PC builders. From efficiency improvements to enhanced compatibility, this power supply aims to deliver a reliable and optimized performance. Let's explore the pros and cons of the Nzxt C850 to help you determine if it's the right fit for your system. Pros. High efficiency. The Nzxt C850 boasts a power conversion efficiency that reaches 2% higher than the 80+ gold standard at 50% load and high line input voltage. This increased efficiency means that your system uses less electricity, potentially lowering your energy bills and contributing to a greener environment. Fully modular design. The fully modular design of the C850 allows you to use only the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. The black-sleeved cables and matte black finish offer a sleek, unobtrusive look that fits seamlessly with any PC build style. Excellent compatibility and testing standards. The C850 is built to strict standards, ensuring trouble-free installation. It is compatible with most ATX cases and supports the latest NVIDIA and AMD PUs, including the NVIDIA 30 series and AMD 6000 series. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice for many builds. Enhanced protection mechanism. The power supply includes a microcontroller MCU-enabled protection mechanism that monitors current, voltage, and output wattage. This feature provides more precise and error-free operation, enhancing the safety and longevity of your components. Optimized and silent operation. The C850's gold certification indicates low thermal dissipation, and its upgraded components and optimized circuit design help maintain a quiet operation. This means your system can run efficiently without generating excessive noise, which is particularly beneficial for gamers and content creators who need a quiet environment. Cons. Overkill for low to mid-range systems. The 850W power output may be overkill for users with low to mid-range systems that do not require such a high wattage. These users might find that a lower wattage power supply is sufficient for their needs and can save money by choosing a less powerful option. The Nzxt C850 850-watt power supply offers a robust set of features that cater to high-performance and aesthetically conscious PC builders. Its high-efficiency, fully modular design, excellent compatibility, and enhanced protection mechanisms make it a standout choice for powering modern systems. Coming in at number 4, the Msi Mag A850Gl 850-watt power supply. The Msi Mag A850Gl 850-watt power supply stands out in the crowded market of gaming power supplies, offering a blend of efficiency, reliability, and cutting-edge features. This video delves into the pros and cons of this power supply unit, helping you decide if it meets your gaming rig's needs. Pros. High efficiency. The 80+ gold certification means that the Msi Mag A850Gl operates at a high efficiency level, translating to lower energy consumption and reduced electricity bills. This is especially beneficial for gamers who run their systems for extended periods. Long-term reliability. With a 10-year limited warranty, MSI assures users of the PSU's durability and reliable performance over time. This extended warranty is a strong indicator of the manufacturer's confidence in the product's longevity. The fully modular design. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within the case. This feature simplifies cable management and contributes to a cleaner, more organized build. Support for latest standards. Compatibility with a TX 3.0 and PCI 5 ensures that the power supply can handle the latest and most demanding components, providing future-proofing for upcoming hardware upgrades. This is particularly important for gamers and professionals who continuously update their systems. Compact size. Despite its powerful output, the Msi Mag A850Gl's compact size makes it easier to install in a variety of cases, including smaller, more space-constrained builds. This flexibility is advantageous for users with limited space. Cons. A potential overkill for casual users. The 850-watt capacity and high-end features may be more than what a casual gamer or general user requires. Those with less demanding systems might not fully utilize the power and capabilities of this PSU, making it an excessive choice for simpler builds. The Msi Mag A850Gl 850-watt power supply is a robust and efficient choice for gamers and high-performance PC builders. Its high efficiency, long-term reliability, and support for the latest standards make it a standout option. At number 3, we have the Cooler Master MPE8500 850-watt power supply. The Cooler Master MPE8500 850-watt power supply unit stands out as a notable option for PC enthusiasts and builders. With its impressive features, including high-temperature resilience, modular design, and a hydrodynamic fan, it promises to deliver reliable performance for modern computing needs. However, like any product, it comes with its set of pros and cons. This video delves into the advantages and disadvantages of the Cooler Master MPE8500 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your build. Pros. Universal compatibility. One of the standout features of the Cooler Master MPE8500 is its inclusion of 2 EPS connectors. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of current generation motherboards, making it a versatile choice for various builds. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, the dual EPS connectors provide the necessary power to support high-end CPUs in demanding configurations. High-temperature resilience. The MPE8500 is designed to handle higher operating temperatures compared to its predecessors, with a maximum operating temperature of up to 50 degrees Celsius. This increased resilience is crucial for maintaining stability and performance in environments where cooling might be a challenge, such as compact cases or systems with high thermal loads. Fully modular design. The PSU features a fully modular design with flat black cables. This modularity allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within the case. Enhanced airflow not only helps in maintaining lower temperatures but also contributes to the overall efficiency and thermal performance of the system. Hydrodynamic fan. Equipped with a 120mm hydrodynamic bearing HDB fan, the Cooler Master MPE8500 ensures efficient cooling with minimal noise. The HDB fan creates less friction, enabling smooth and low RPM operations. This translates to quieter performance, which is particularly beneficial for users who prioritize a silent computing experience. Cons. Overkill for basic builds. For those assembling entry-level or mid-range systems, the 850-watt power supply might be more than necessary. While future-proofing is always a consideration, the extra wattage might not be fully utilized in less demanding setups, leading to inefficient power usage. The Cooler Master MPE8500 850-watt power supply unit is a feature-rich and reliable option for those looking to build high-performance systems. Its universal compatibility, high-temperature resilience, modular design, and efficient cooling make it a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Next up at number 2 is the Corsair RM850E 850-watt power supply. The Corsair RM850E 850-watt power supply unit stands out in the market as a robust and efficient solution for PC builders. With its fully modular design, ATX 3.0 certification, and focus on low-noise operation, it promises both flexibility and performance. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we'll explore the key features, pros, and cons of the Corsair RM850E to help you decide if it's the right fit for your system. Pros. Fully modular design. The Corsair RM850E offers a fully modular cabling system. This means you only need to connect the cables necessary for your build, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. Intel ATX 3.0 certified. Compliance with the ATX 3.0 power standard ensures the RM850E can support the latest PCIe Gen 5 platform and withstand transient power spikes, providing stability during peak power demands. Low noise operation. The PSU is equipped with a 120mm rifle-bearing fan and a specially calculated fan curve to minimize noise, even at full load, ensuring a quiet computing experience. Flexibility and tidiness. The fully modular design of the RM850E simplifies cable management, helping to keep your build clean and improving airflow, which can enhance overall system cooling and performance. Quiet operation. The 120mm rifle-bearing fan, combined with the optimized fan curve, ensures that the PSU operates quietly, making it ideal for users who prioritize a silent computing environment. Reliable performance. The use of high-quality 105 Daisy-rated capacitors means that the RM850E can deliver consistent power even under demanding conditions, contributing to the stability and longevity of your system. Efficiency. The modern standby compatibility not only provides fast wake times but also enhances energy efficiency, particularly at low loads, which can contribute to lower power consumption and reduced electricity bills. Cons. Complexity for beginners. While the modular design offers flexibility, it might be slightly intimidating for novice builders who are not as familiar with PC assembly. Ensuring that all necessary cables are properly connected can require some additional attention to detail. The Corsair RM850E 850-watt power supply is a highly capable and versatile unit that brings numerous advantages to the table, including a fully modular design, compliance with the latest power standards, quiet operation, and reliable performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Thermaltake GF1 850-watt power supply. The Thermaltake GF1 850-watt power supply is a robust and reliable unit designed to meet the power needs of modern computer systems. This video will delve into the key features of this power supply, along with an assessment of its pros and cons, to help you determine if it is the right choice for your setup. Pros. High efficiency. The 80+ Gold certification ensures that the Thermaltake GF1 850W operates with high energy efficiency, reducing operational costs and heat generation. Quiet operation. The Smart Zero fan and the ultra-quiet 140mm fluid-bearing fan work together to provide near-silent operation, which is beneficial for users who prioritize a noise-free environment. 80+ Gold certified. The Thermaltake GF1 850W is 80+ Gold certified, ensuring high energy efficiency. This certification means that the power supply is at least 87% efficient at 20% load, 90% efficient at 50% load, and 87% efficient at 100% load. Higher efficiency translates to lower electricity bills and reduced heat output. Smart Zero fan. The Smart Zero fan feature minimizes undesired noise by keeping the fan off until the load exceeds a certain threshold. This ensures silent operation during low to moderate loads, making it ideal for quiet PC builds. Ultra-quiet 140mm fluid-bearing fan. When the fan does operate, it remains ultra-quiet thanks to its 140mm fluid dynamic bearing design. This type of bearing reduces friction and noise, while also extending the fan's lifespan compared to conventional fan designs. Compatibility with modern systems. With support for Intel C6, C7 states and ERP readiness, this power supply is well suited for modern, energy-efficient systems. Stable power delivery. The high-amperage single 12V rail and DC-to-DC design ensure stable power delivery, crucial for high-performance components and gaming rigs. Comprehensive protection. The built-in industrial-grade protections offer peace of mind by protecting your components from electrical faults. Cons. Fan activation threshold. While the Smart Zero fan feature is designed for silent operation, some users might find the threshold for fan activation too high, potentially leading to higher internal temperatures before the fan kicks in. The Thermaltake GF1 850-watt power supply is a feature-rich, efficient, and reliable unit ideal for modern high-performance PCs. Its high-efficiency, quiet operation, and comprehensive protection mechanisms make it a standout choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and professionals who demand the best from their hardware.